Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Shutter Wide Angle Winter Collection Edition. Let's hop over to the desk. Okay, so let's unbox this yo-yo. It comes with the YoyoFactory, whatever, green string. Don't know my strings, but it's green, and that's all I care about. I don't really like it. I like Kitty or LimeWire. So let's take the yo-yo out, and the first thing that I noticed is that it's really, really wide. Compared to the normal Shutter, if you can tell, it's much wider and it fits in the palm of your hand much better. Oh, God. Yeah, it fits in the palm of your hand much nicer. It's just much more smooth, and I don't know. I like how it fits in my hand. Okay, let's take this out and let's throw it down a few times. So I just switched out the string with a different color because I like the string better. So the first thing I noticed is that it's really quiet and it's really smooth, but I think I'm going to lube it because it's getting a little bit loud. It's a little snappy on the bind. I don't know whether that's just me or it's the yo-yo, but it's really easy to hit your tricks with. It's nice and wide, so all of your hops and pops, really, really easy. Yeah. Okay, let's hop over to the finger spin section. So, I was going to finger spin with this, but then I realized I can't, so I'm going to give it to my friend. Yep.
Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. It looks like with the normal Shutter, you can see that the finger spin cap right here is really it's a lot bigger, and then this one's a lot smaller, so that helps your finger spins be more controlled. So here, I just hit my pen. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And I didn't even throw it completely horizontal. I threw it a little off, and that still caught on my finger. So this is actually a really good finger spinning yo-yo. So I would definitely suggest getting this one if you are looking. This was the snowflake Shutter, but there's the other Shutters. They just released a bunch of new colors, so those are pretty cool ones. I don't know how long this one's gonna stay in shop. I'm gonna try and do horizontal trapeze because it's supposed to be a wide Shutter, so it should be easier for me to hit horizontal because I can't really do it, and this should maybe assist with the wideness.
Assist yourself, please.
Assist yourselves. I do like this for horizontal. I would definitely use this one. It's about as wide as the Manatee, actually. If you don't know, the Manatee is really wide.
Made by COYW, great yo-yo.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Check this yo. This is the COYW Manatee. You can go check that one out if you want. I have a review on it right up there. And I don't know, I do like this yo-yo a lot. The response pads, they're really good. For me, I would probably give this one probably 8.5 out of 10. I like it. So now we're going back to the owner of this yo-yo.
Okay, so last section is the grind section. I'm not that good, but I can tell as soon as I start grinding, this is really nice, and it just fits into your finger so well. You can grind for ages with it. Yeah, it's really nice. Great yo-yo. Good price, 60 bucks. Yeah, I feel like YoyoFactory did a good job with it. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!